Hi, how's it going, everyone? Welcome to Offbeat Mandarin. I am Leo. Today we are going to talk about the secret of learning Mandarin, specifically perfectionism. You know that little voice in your head saying, I have to get everything right or I will be a failure. Yeah, that guy. We're dealing with him today. Now, don't get me wrong, trying to improve is great. But expecting to be perfect is not so great. It's like expecting to learn how to swim without getting wet. It's not gonna happen. Perfection is a myth, just like dragons, or free Wi-Fi that actually works. If you want to get better, that is good. If you obsess over every tiny mistakes, it's not good. Because here is the truth. People who make more mistakes actually learn faster. Why? Because mistakes are like pop-up ads to your brain. Are they annoying? Yes. Are they unforgettable? Also yes. Now, if you are living in a Chinese-speaking environment, sure, accuracy does matter sometimes. I know you don't want to say, I saw chest hair, 胸毛, instead of I saw panda, 熊猫, to your Chinese friends. That's an awkward dinner. Or maybe it's a normal one, I don't know your life. But as long as people know you mean well, you'll get away with it. It's not a big deal. I saw lots of learners freak out about pronunciation. Look, if your tones are way off, you may accidentally insult someone's mother. But most of the time, people can figure it out from context. Chinese people are not there like, oh no, this foreigner just said ma instead of ma. What could they possibly mean? No, they know. They'll survive just like you'll survive. And that's pronunciation. Now let's talk about grammar. Have you ever seen a toddler learning to talk? They don't care about grammar. They just scream, cookie, 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 until they get one. And somehow it works. So why are you, a fully grown adult, out here and be like, I must conjugate this verb perfectly before I order dumplings? No, just say the words. If you're close, you'll get food. If you're not, well, the worst case scenario, you get something interesting. Surprise meals are a core part of language learning, especially in China. You might be asking, Leo, but adults should speak like adults. We adults don't shout cookie anymore to communicate, right? Look, here is the thing. Have you seen internet comments? If you know what I mean, you'll see even native speakers mess that up. Check out TikTok, YouTube, Reddit. Are the users all following the grammar rules? No. Chinese people are the same. I mean, no one is out here writing essays. If you sound kinda normal, people will understand you. The goal is not perfection. It's making people understand you. You are learning a language, not programming a spaceship. I especially want to tell beginners that why you should stop aiming for perfection is because if you worry about perfection too soon, you'll quit before you get anywhere. You should be straightforward and bold, not afraid to shout any words you know, use any grammar you remember, even if you make mistakes all the time. Again, people who make more mistakes actually learn faster. If you worry about perfectionism as a beginner in learning Mandarin, you wouldn't go far. You will stuck in questioning yourself. Doubting on yourself is addictive, and then you're not learning Chinese. You're just adding quit learning Chinese to your list of regrets. Right next to that one haircut. Learning a language is basically this. Try, fail, repeat. Your brain is gonna forget things. You will mix up words. You'll say something ridiculous in public. And then one day, you'll wake up and realize you just understood a full sentence without thinking. So, yeah, stop waiting to be perfect. Just start. Be bad at it for a while. That's the only way to get good. And one day, you'll look back and think, wow, I used to be terrible. Now I'm just slightly less terrible. And that, my friend, is progress. If you chase for perfection, you will never get there. If you keep trying and making mistakes, you will be more and more fluent, and perfection may just be right at the end of your learning path. It's not something you need to chase after. It is something that eventually comes to you. That's it. That's the secret. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'm Leo. See you next time. Bye bye.